Imagine scraping any website in minutes. No Python, no proxies, no headaches. Today, I'll show you how BrowserAct turns that dream into reality and why it's quickly becoming a must-have for analysts, marketers, and indie hackers alike. BrowserAct is a cloud-based, AI-powered web scraping platform. You give it natural language instructions. It spins up a virtual browser, blocks ads, bypasses CAPTCHA, and delivers clean data. No code, no extensions, just results. Now, just head over to the website. The link is provided in the description below. As you can see, this platform offers 1000 free credits every single day, absolutely free. But that's not all. Let me walk you through some of the most exciting features of this AI agent. The first one is a game changer. You don't need to write a single line of code to use this AI agent. Simply type your instructions in natural language and paste the link of the website you want to scrape. That's it. The AI handles all the complex stuff for you, making web scraping as easy as chatting with a friend. The second powerful feature is its built-in ad blocker. It automatically blocks ads on websites, ensuring an uninterrupted and smooth experience while scraping data. Take this website for example. It's filled with ads, but this AI agent filters them out seamlessly. Moving on, it also offers real-time and persistent data access, meaning you can extract live data and keep your access consistent over time, perfect for ongoing projects. Another standout feature is its access to a global residential IP network, helping you bypass geo restrictions and avoid detection while scraping. Now to get started, just click on Start Free Trial and complete the simple sign-in process. Now, once you're signed in, you'll see a clean and intuitive dashboard interface. Go ahead and click on Create, then select Agent. Here, you can name your agent, choose anything you like. The description field is optional, so you can leave it blank if you want. Once done, just hit Create. Next, click on the Run option to start using your agent. First, let's add a website link. For this demo, I'm using a news website. Just paste the link into the input box. Now comes the magic. Start giving your instructions in natural language. For example, I'll type shortlist all news about USA. It also gives you the option to enable incognito mode for more private and undetectable scraping. Once you're ready, just hit send and watch the AI agent go to work. Now, as you can see, the AI agent has started working. It's already on step 1 of the process. Let's give it a moment. You can actually watch the AI agent's activity live on your screen. It's currently scraping the website in real time. If at any point you want to interrupt or take control manually, just click on the browser area and you can take over from there. Let's wait for the scraping to finish. Done. The AI agent has successfully completed the task in multiple steps, all automatically. As you can see here, it has generated a .json file containing the results. Just click on download to save it. And here's the exciting part. The AI has fetched all the news related to the USA, just like we asked. Now, I know the raw data might look a bit complex, but don't worry. You can simply upload the file to ChatGPT, Perplexity, or any other AI tool to summarize, filter, or analyze it further. That's the power of this no-code AI agent. Fast, accurate, and effortless data scraping. Try it out for yourself using the link in the description below and get 1000 free credits daily to explore everything this powerful AI agent has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools, automation hacks, and productivity tips. And let me know in the comments, what will you scrape first using this tool? See you in the next one.